What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the page. Today we're going to be bringing you a brand new segment called Customs of the Week. And what we're going to be doing here is reviewing 5 of our favorite customs from the past week and touching on everything from the level of artistry all the way to the photography and how they tried to tell the story with their shoes. And before we get any further, I'm going to go ahead and introduce you guys to our co-host for the show.
What's up, guys? My name is Jason. I'm the creative director of DCF. I've been helping Dillon for the past year now with all the photography and video stuff on our social media pages. I'm here helping Dillon co-host this new series, so I'm pretty excited about that.
Yeah, and I've been doing customs now for about 5 years now, so we are just super excited to really help spread a great message about customs and just talk about our favorite ones from the past week. So Jason, let's go ahead and get right into some of the things that we're going to be looking for when talking about these shoes.
So we're going to be looking at number 1, creativity, number 2, craftsmanship, number 3 is going to be difficulty, and number 4 is going to be composition.
Alright, let's go ahead and bring you guys our first one. First off, we have this Jordan 5 Warhawk theme by Mr. Sablan himself, and he has kind of started to become synonymous with this theme. He's done it on a ton of different shoes, but doing it on the Jordan 5s is one of my favorite by him. The shark teeth are so clean. All the details with the small little rivets, all the other small logos. He just does a hell of a job with this thing.
No, yeah, I love the picture too. The fact that he took the extra mile to go and find the tank to match the shoes really shows the effort that he puts in not only his artwork, but also the work of the picture itself.
Definitely.
So next up we have a pair of the black ombre 270s done by the Shoe Cosmetics. It's a fairly recent customizer who popped on the scene. They have this, photography-wise, they have this style where it's a studio setup with matching accessories in the background that match the gradient of the shoe. Pretty clean.
Yeah, this gradient itself is awesome. The way you could tell a really good gradient is basically you shouldn't be able to see any breaking points or really see any harsh lines where colors meet. And this goes all the way from pretty much a white up in front, really light white, all the way to decently deep black in the back, and you really can't see any breaks anywhere. So they did an awesome job with the gradient on this mesh, so great work overall on these. So next up we have a Star Wars themed pair of Vans. These got posted obviously around May 4th. May the 4th be with you all. So overall this is an awesome theme. They did the Sith on one shoe, Jedi on the other, doing all this portrait work on a pair of canvas shoes like Vans. It's incredibly tough. Takes a long time to get all that detail packed in there. These turned out great.
Even the little extra details with the highlight coming from the green lightsaber hitting Yoda's face. Nice touch on that also.
Yeah, the lightsabers really look like they're glowing here, so awesome job.
Here we have a pair of Nike Air Force One's Unzipped Donuts by Kingdom Made. I see that this is his signature when it comes to the customs that he makes. For the photography part of it, I would have went the extra mile and put some donuts in there, just to play the whole theme of it, but that's just me. But overall, I love the idea of it and the custom itself.
Yeah, the artistry on these, he really nailed it. Like, you really feel you're kind of looking at this donut being unzipped on the front of the shoe. So that requires a high level of artistry, pretty difficult to achieve. You obviously need to nail all your highlights and shadows. And just the overall rest of the shoe having that kind of monochromatic look. I really dig these overall, so great job on these. These are not that easy. Do not try this at home type feel. And so last up, we have this pair of Curry 4s done by Dez with the Dragon Ball Super theme. He's got some Goku portraits on there. Overall, Dez can kill any kind of portrait like this, and he does a great job with that galaxy background. It's super saturated. He got the colors to pop up against the black of the darkness in the background, so he's got that pink to pop, the red blue to pop. Overall, super clean look, and then doing a really cool galaxy background like that, it just really helps that character pop right off of there. And then in my opinion, he did a great job by still leaving a ton of white from the base shoe. So kind of just the right combination of everything. Proportions are great. Overall, great work.
Like Dylan said, the artwork speaks for itself. I don't think that the cement does the shoe justice. If it was maybe put on like a basketball court, I think it would have tied everything well together.
Yeah, definitely. So there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed our first segment here on Customs of the Week.
If you'd like to be featured, make sure you use the hashtag Customs of the Week to help us find you.
We've actually only been searching through Angelus Direct and Customizer Depot right now, and then of course all the other customizers we follow. So creating this hashtag will just better help serve this community so that everybody can hopefully start using this hashtag and everybody can become a part of this series. And that's what we want to be all about here. Just spreading a positive message to the customs community. And we hope you guys enjoyed this segment. Go ahead, give this video a like, make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we will see you guys next week. As always, thank you guys so much for the support. This page really wouldn't be able to grow without you guys. Make sure you're following us on Instagram. That information is down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, and go ahead and check out our previous video here off to the side.